I'm on a cruise ship, and we just pulled into the port of Mykonos, arguably Greece's most famous island. Long a stomping ground of the international jet set, Mykonos is always on the cutting edge. But I'm here to discover its softer side. I'll visit a local cook who will show me how to make the Mykonian classic kremidopita.
Do you like it?
I love it. And in the kitchen, I'll make an easy scordo macarona, Mykonian garlic pasta. Super simple. Oh, yeah. And a classic fish soup, avro lemono. Join me on my Greek table as I explore the deep-rooted traditions that are still alive on this glittering island.